Raise your elbows in and lean back.
Oh, shit.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
As a chiropractor, I don't like this adjustment, and here's why. It's not specific, and specificity is the key to a good adjustment. Listen to this. True chiropractic is finding and treating the source of whatever pain you're experiencing. This adjustment you just watched just separates a bunch of joints and makes a bunch of noise. Now here's a much more specific way to adjust that area.
All the way. That's what we wanted.
Share this video with someone you know who has upper back pain.